Guys, good afternoon. Dito gaganapin yung grand finals namin sa November 7. Tawag ng Tanghalan Rumble Edition. Napaka-elegante, di ba guys? See? Ang mga sopa, grabe, di ba? Napaka-elegant. See? Yan. So, kung meron kang supporter talaga, dito sila upo. Dito rin sila kakain. So, ang ganda, di ba guys? See you then on November 7, 2025. And that was Friday. Okay, thank you all guys. See you.